Today we're finally hitting some green lanes. We've had some nice weather at long last. We're heading out with some of the guys from the Freelander 2 off-road group and we're going to see what we can see. But yeah, come along with us, enjoy the views, enjoy the sights and the sounds and everything like that. Yeah, and enjoy this video. Cheers everyone. So we've arrived at the Meetup Point, everyone here. We've got the Freelander XXL. I saw you come in. How warm is it today?
Really warm.
Really
like
warm?
20 degrees.
Do you know what? It's actually not too bad.
No,
the sun's
fine.
taking the edge off of it, which is quite nice. But yeah, should hopefully have a good day. We'll see what's coming next.
And we're all in line.
Right, quick lunch break on this stop. As you can see from some of the lanes, they've been fantastic. The weather's been fantastic. It's not too cold. It's right on that nice point where you're not shivering or anything like that. just to give you an idea of who's who and what car's what. Michael and Angela in that car. Been on the front page of magazines. So many modifications, it's insane. Then you've got our car lifted, everything's in the description below, pretty much. Yeah, it's not got a huge amount of modifications, but just enough to make it decent off-roading. You've got the Jeep, just insane bit of kit, amazing bit of kit. Really like that car. It's just munching up all of this so easily, so cool. Then you got Darren's car. He's first time lifted, he's got lift kit on his car, first time lifted. He's seeing the difference of it. And then you got Gary's car, which would look far better with white wheels, but he can't afford the white wheels, so he's had to go for the black option.
Oh, Gary's left his boot open.
This is just how stunning Wales is. Just a quick stop off for Michael to let his dogs out. But yeah, just look, absolutely stunning everywhere you look.
Welsh with some of the guys from the FL2ORG and Matt with his Jeep. Cracking day, cracking lanes, cracking weather.
Yep.
I like the word cracking, apparently.
Everything's cracking.
Everything is cracking, including my joints. Thanks, Gary, for putting on that trip.
Cheers, Gary.
Much appreciated.
Yep.
And I just got distracted by a road sign. That's good, good going there, isn't it? Like, comment, subscribe, and do all of those things down there. And the Instagram today is going to be right on that window in front of Scott's face. Just that.
As long as it don't distract me.
I can't see my finger, so I don't know where I'm pointing, but it's somewhere over there. And we'll see you in the next video, whatever that may be.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.